Okay, let's start the dynamic malware analysis. Before we trigger the malware, we need to start the monitoring tools. We firstly use ProcMon here. And then we also use ProcWatch. ProcWatch is able to detect new processes, so it's useful to identify any new process. Okay, we then trigger the malware. Okay, the malware here is embedded VBA in the Microsoft Word document. So we trigger here. So we see that the Microsoft Office is running. They have a question. So do you want to enable the macro? So I want it to enable. So the macro is running at the background then. And we see what happened after that. Okay, after the Microsoft Office, we see that it's a process here which trigger PowerShell. So it looks strange. How come the PowerShell triggered without us turn on the terminal? We then look at the ProcMon. Okay, we look at the ProcMon here. So we check the tree first because this is very useful. The process tree here, we can see the timeline of the process triggered. So we see the PowerShell is triggered here very short period of time, and okay, that's not suspicious. We then see what is actually doing at the PowerShell. So here is the command of the PowerShell. Oh, there's a really long string of the PowerShell. So we copy this string and see what is it about. Okay, this is PowerShell. It says hidden, so we cannot see, and it says EN. EN refer to the base 64 encoding. So the string after that is base 64 encoded. So how can we interpret this? What is it doing? There's two ways. The one way is to have CyberChief. We deal with it a lot in CTF competition. And other way is there's a tools to decode that we can talk about later. Okay, we copy and paste the code to the CyberChief, and then we see the PowerShell code here is here. And because it's base 64, we use tools from base 64 and we move the null. And then we see the codes here. Codes here is not easy to understand, but we can still see that they would like to download this 6267 file from certain website. So this is the web just they look for and then execute it. Okay, now we know the parcel will call a script to get a download file and from those website, and we could further analyze the process here because we see there's a PowerShell here. We can actually have a graphical view to see the relationship between PowerShell and other process and files. So how can we do that? We firstly export those process lists. We use save here to save as CSV file to output to this folder. We click OK. After we save, we use another tools called ProcDot here. So we already have the process file downloaded and load in the ProcDot application, and we see the PowerShell is here, and they touch the registry to create auto star entry, and then it also try to create file, exe file. Okay, then this conclude my dynamic malware analysis.